Now, ladies and gentlemen, I was in Cyprus. I met some years ago with Archbishop Makarios, who was then the president of Cyprus. It's a lovely little area, and they've had some struggle between Greek and Turk, but they've got nothing to do with Egypt. So this crazy man in Egypt hijacked a plane. Now, it doesn't look like he's part of the Muslim Brotherhood. It doesn't look like it has anything to do with terrorism. The man says, well, I've done it for love because my girlfriend is in Cyprus. John Jessup has more.
Pat, some frightening moments for the passengers and crew, but officials say the motive wasn't terror. Yet the hijacker did force the plane to fly to Cyprus, where he was later arrested. Though the incident follows a bombing of an Egyptian airliner late last year, raising more questions about airline security in the region. Here's Dale Hurd with more.
An Egyptian man hijacked a plane bound from Alexandria to Cairo today. He reportedly threatened to blow it up and forced it to land on the island of Cyprus. The hijacker apparently asked authorities to contact a local woman and deliver an envelope to her. Authorities convinced the man to release most of the plane's 55 passengers, 8 of whom were American. But Egypt Air reports that 4 passengers and the flight crew were held aboard before the arrest.
The reality is that we have a hijacker on board of a plane. We are not sure whether what he has is a true bomb or threat to the aircraft, but we are dealing with it as a real threat.
The hijacking highlights the issue of safety at Egyptian airports once again. Just 5 months ago, a Russian passenger aircraft crashed after taking off from an Egyptian Red Sea resort. ISIS later claimed responsibility for the bomb that took down that plane. Dale Hurd, CBN News.